Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to change out the air filter for the 2017 Chevrolet Bolt, and here's the how-to. First, you need to gain access to your glove box. Empty out the glove box. Next, you need to push in on both sides. It's a little tough. Next, you need to disconnect the little shock absorber. Next, you reach up in, grab this tab, and it just pulls out. And there's your air filter. Just pull it on out. Thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed the content or want more information about the 2017 Chevrolet Bolt or EV conversions, please stick around, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and I will catch you all next time.